In this video, you're going to learn how to screen record your laptop. In this video, you're going to learn how to screen record. In this video is about how you can record. In this is how you can screen record on your laptop. So this is the laptop where we are on right now, and if you want to record your screen, it is very easy. You don't need to have any. Now it's currently in 2024. It seems in 2024 in 2024 you don't need. It's like with the newest updates, with the with the newest Microsoft updates, with the newest Microsoft Windows updates, you no longer need a screen recorder in your on your computer because that comes with your because that's already because that's already in because that's already installed on your computer because that's already installed on your latest version of Microsoft Windows. So for instance, on my computer right now, my laptop, for instance, on my laptop right now, I am running on Windows 11, and this is the latest update, 24 HC, and this is the latest update. What happens is a little what happens is for me to be able to record my screen, I'll have to place Windows key on the keyboard plus Shift plus R. When I do that, I'll get a snap icon like this. I'll be able to select the section of the screen or part of the screen that I want to record. So I can select this or I can move this section around to record different parts of the screen. When I'm done selecting, if I want, I can select the part of the screen. If you want, you can select the part of the screen, or you can actually select the entire screen by just dragging these handles here, like that. And here on top, you have this and here on top you have this navigation, and on top here you have this toolbar, and here you can start the recording and you're going to see the recording time, and here you have the unmute microphone option, and also you have the mute system option. Now here, if you want to start recording, you can just click on this. As you can see here, you're going to see the counter, which is counting, and when that is done, you see that now your screen is being recorded. Right now, this screen is being recorded right now. If I want to move something, or if I right click or see anything here, all this is being recorded. But then, if I want to stop this recording, or if I just want to pause it, there is the pause button here. So you can just click on the pause recording, or if you are done, you can just click on stop. And here, when you are recording, if there is this slash on this microphone icon, it means you are not recording the sound from outside. Instead, if you want to record the sound from outside, like right now, I've resumed the recording. If I want to record the sound from the microphone, I can just click on this. Then this is now going to start getting the sounds from outside. But also, we can mute the system audio. In the case that the laptop is playing some music or is making some noise in the background, we can actually mute that sound, or we can just allow it to be part of the recording. Or you can delete. Then we also have the discard recording. If you want to restart the recording, you can just simply click on this. When you're done recording, you can just click on this red button here, the stop recording. When you click on that, you'll be able to see that you're going to be in the snipping tool. Snipping tool, this is where actually you and so here you're going to be in the snipping tool. Here you can see your video. If you want, you can play it. As you can see here, we're able to see all the things that we are doing here. We're able to see all these things. This is a recorded video. But now if you want to edit it also, you can go on and edit with the Clipchamp. If you want to edit this video, you can go on and edit this with the Clipchamp. You can edit this with Clip. You can edit this with Clipchamp. So if you want to do that, you can go on. It's a good software by Microsoft Office, and it does a wonderful job when it comes to editing. Also, it's not bad. Then you have the save button here. This is where you can save your video with a name in a specific location. So when you click on this, you're going to get a dialog box where you have to choose now the location where you want to save this, file, and also you can name it here. Give it a name, and when you do that, you can just click on save. When you save this, you can close and stop everything here. And now, when you come here on the desktop, you should be able to see our now, when you come here on the desktop, you should be able to see this video that we recorded. And when we open this, it's going to start playing. As you can see, this is a video that we recorded. And this is how you can screen record your screen on laptop. And that's the feature that comes with the newest version of Windows. And so some other versions of Windows, you're not going to be able to do this. And it's a very good one. It's a very good one. It's good. So if you want to record your screen, make sure you use this one. So if you want to record your screen, this is how you go about it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.